Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful home loan options available for veterans and active duty service members, VA loans. If you've served our country, this program is designed to help you achieve the dream of homeownership with incredible benefits. A VA loan is a mortgage backed by the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs. It's made for veterans, active military members, and certain surviving spouses, helping them buy a home with little to no money down and more flexible credit requirements. No down payment. That's right, qualified borrowers can purchase a home with zero down. No private mortgage insurance. Save hundreds every month compared to conventional loans. Competitive interest rates. Through trusted lenders like VAMortgage.com, you can secure some of the lowest VA loan rates available in 2025. Easier qualification, flexible credit, and income standards make approval simpler. Refinance options. Already a homeowner? You can lower your rate or get cash out through a VA refinance. When it comes to finding the best VA loan, you want a lender that understands your needs. VAMortgage.com connects you with licensed professionals who specialize in VA loans. They simplify the process from pre-approval to closing so you can move into your new home faster. Plus, you'll always get transparent guidance and personalized support every step of the way. You may qualify if you're an active duty service member, a veteran, a member of the National Guard or Reserves, or a surviving spouse of a veteran. 1. Visit VAMortgage.com. 2. Fill out the short VA loan form. 3. Get matched with the best lender for your needs. 4. Get pre-approved and start your home search. If you're ready to turn your service into homeownership, a VA loan might be the perfect path for you. Visit VAMortgage.com today and see how much you can save. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more mortgage tips, and share it.